Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the latest in beauty and salon equipment. Today, we're reviewing the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray on wheels, a versatile addition to any salon or spa. Product overview. The TASALON Rolling Salon Tray is designed for professionals seeking efficiency and organization. Constructed from premium metal, this tray is engineered to withstand the demands of a bustling salon environment. It features a heat-resistant tool holder made of high-grade PP plastic, ideal for safely storing hot styling tools like curling irons and hair extension tools. Additionally, the tray comes equipped with two magnetic hair dye bowls that securely attach to the tray, preventing spills. A versatile hair extension stand with both coarse and fine teeth is also included, accommodating various hair extension and braiding tools. The tray is mounted on smooth rolling wheels, ensuring easy maneuverability within your workspace. Usage experience. Setting up the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Once assembled, the tray's adjustable height feature allows customization to suit different tasks and user preferences. The heat-resistant tool holder is conveniently located, keeping hot tools within easy reach while maintaining safety. The magnetic hair dye bowls are a standout feature, securely holding dye mixtures and reducing the risk of spills. The hair extension stand is practical, offering a dedicated space for extensions and braiding tools, enhancing organization. Performance. In practice, the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray excels in functionality. The sturdy construction ensures stability, even when fully loaded with tools and products. The magnetic hair dye bowls remain securely attached during use, and the heat-resistant tool holder effectively protects surfaces from hot tools. The adjustable height mechanism operates smoothly, allowing quick adjustments to accommodate different tasks. The rolling wheels glide effortlessly, facilitating easy movement around the salon. Pros and cons. Pros. Durable metal construction ensures longevity. Heat-resistant tool holder enhances safety. Magnetic hair dye bowls prevent spills. Versatile hair extension stand accommodates various tools. Smooth rolling wheels allow easy movement. Cons. Some users may find the assembly process slightly time-consuming. The tray's size may be larger than expected for smaller workspaces. Comparisons. Compared to other salon trays in the market, the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray offers unique features like magnetic hair dye bowls and a versatile hair extension stand. While other trays may provide basic storage, this model emphasizes functionality and organization, catering to professionals who require a comprehensive solution. Value for money. Priced competitively, the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray offers excellent value. Its durable construction, thoughtful design features, and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking to enhance their workspace efficiency. Build quality. The tray's premium metal construction is robust and designed to withstand daily use. The heat-resistant tool holder is made from high-grade PP plastic, ensuring durability and safety. The overall build quality reflects attention to detail and a commitment to providing reliable salon equipment. User-friendliness. The tray is user-friendly, with intuitive features that enhance workflow. The adjustable height mechanism is easy to operate, and the magnetic hair dye bowls securely attach without effort. The hair extension stand is thoughtfully designed, offering a practical solution for organizing extension tools. Customer support. TASALON offers responsive customer support, addressing inquiries and providing assistance as needed. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in the positive feedback from users. Real-world testing. In a busy salon setting, the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray has proven to be a valuable asset. The magnetic hair dye bowls have effectively prevented spills, and the heat-resistant tool holder has protected surfaces from hot tools. The adjustable height feature has allowed for ergonomic adjustments, reducing strain during extended use. Updates. As of now, there have been no significant updates or changes to the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray. It continues to perform reliably, meeting the needs of professionals in the salon industry. Final verdict. The TASALON Rolling Salon Tray on wheels is a well-designed, functional, and durable piece of equipment that enhances organization and efficiency in the salon environment. Its thoughtful features, such as the magnetic hair dye bowls and heat-resistant tool holder, make it a standout choice for professionals. Target audience. This product is ideal for professional hairstylists, salon owners, and beauty technicians who require a reliable and organized workspace. Its features cater to those who value efficiency and safety in their daily operations. Longevity. The durable construction and quality materials suggest that the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray is built to last, providing long-term value for its users. Alternative options. For those seeking more budget-friendly alternatives, there are other salon trays available that offer basic functionality. However, they may lack the advanced features and durability of the TASALON Rolling Salon Tray. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content or allow others to find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.